Hi guys, so for some of you who use yellow card here in Zambia or in Africa at large, well, I just received an email today saying that the yellow card app will no longer continue and it will be closed. So here is what it means. So remember, yellow card itself is not closing. What's really closing is simply the yellow card app. And this yellow card app is the app that you use to deposit or withdraw crypto, exchange, and so on. This is what's closing. So they are saying that they're evolving, okay, and they want to focus on business to business solutions. So don't get confused, your card will still be there, but the app that you use to buy and sell crypto will not be there. So what you should do is that you have to withdraw your money and you are given until December 31st, 2025. So if you've got an account with Yellow Card and it's completely no money, it will close within 24 hours, so you don't have to do anything. But if there's money, you are told that you should withdraw the money before 31st. So to do that, you have to do is simply log into the wallet, then withdraw the crypto or exchange the cash and withdraw whichever is available there and simply make use of it. So here are the dates that you should remember. So starting now, you can begin withdrawing your funds. By December 31st, this is your final day. Then by January 1st, 2026, all the services on the YELLOWCARD app will be discontinued and you won't be able to log in after this date. Then they're saying that if you miss this date, you can actually contact support. Yeah. So this is what it means. So there's also a link that you know open it to take you to this page where you can now learn more about this closure. So this is what I've done. I've actually summarized it for you. So I'll also include a link to this page so that you can get to read all this and get to understand more. But shouldn't worry, this should not be the end of your crypto journey. There are a lot of exchanges out there that you can use to buy and sell or exchange crypto into kwacha. Although YELLOWCARD was the best, especially for people who are not really tech savvy, because it was the easiest and the simplest way. But you can as well install KitFX. So KitFX is not really a wallet, it's simply an exchange. You can use this to exchange crypto to Zambian culture. You can also use it to deposit and withdraw from Forex Brokers, which is the main use of KitFX. Okay, or you can as well simply WhatsApp me on this number if you need any help in converting the crypto into kwacha or kwacha into crypto. Simply WhatsApp me and I'll be able to help you with any of your crypto questions or crypto withdrawal, anything crypto related. So this is it about this video. I thought of sharing this so that in case some of you people don't are checking your emails, I'm sure you might be able to see this video and get your money before you no longer have access to log into YELLOWCARD. Bye for now, this is Keith.